What's up, world? I'm smiling because I got a killer deal yesterday. I got two good deals yesterday and today on GoPeds, and I put them up on eBay to just like sell them as is because I got so much going on all the time for them. But I came up on a Bigfoot today that I'm going to strip and rebuild stock and sell that back. But I can go ahead and fix these two up and make them nice. I just scooped them up yesterday. These are GSR Cruisers, Geo Motors, old outdated Geo Motors. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them things. Put them on eBay for 50 bucks or something, 30 bucks for parts. Mounts, I don't need none of that. Gas tanks, I'm not gonna use none of that. I'm just use what I got new and try to make it nice again. This is the other one. I finally got the shocks and the widening kit on the LTZ 50. Looks pretty good. I feel like I need to extend the shocks more to get the tires to sit a little bit straighter, but it's bothering me. It looks good in the picture on the video, but it's bothering me. I don't know if you can see it, like I'm standing way back here. The wheels got a little camber on them. I got to get rid of that camber. But overall, it looks good. It's very wide. I got a mini bike almost stripped down. I don't know if I started recording this. I'm working on this. I got all the parts for it. I got new tires on the rims already. I got the show pad is down right now. Something's going on with the carburetor. Gotta figure that out. All these sports for sale. I have some more actually that need to be built in the corner right there. One hanging up over there. I have another one in my van that's for sale. But right now I'm gonna try to tear these two down, and then I'm gonna try to tear these two apart and see what I got to make them, not clean them up, clean up the parts that I'm gonna use for sure. And then the parts that I'm not gonna use, I'll put them to the side or sell them on eBay or something like that. Old school right there, micro racer, AAA racer, old school right there. DDM gas cap and shark biter invader deck. I don't know what that is. I have no idea. But look how horrible this thing is, man. So yeah, we're gonna strip them apart, man. I might hear a little music. I might cut it out. I don't know. So I gotta have something playing while I'm working. When I work, I'll just be like zoned in, like, you know. I don't even be thinking about picking up a camera most of the time. It's like rusted out. Wasted all those lonely years. Nothing had a chance to ever be good. Nothing ever could. It looks like they put, it looks like they have a GSR Sport frame thing is like they drilled the hole out so they can mount it on here. So gotta get a rear fender bracket mount. So what's up, world? I got this little mini bike right here in the shop today. It's some little kids in the neighborhood, man. They want me to help them get it running. Change the tires on it, I guess. Guess I'm gonna clean it up for him. I mean, he was like, you know, asking me, so I'm like, yeah, I got you. I don't really work on mini bikes, but I figured, you know, I'll help him out, you know. I ain't too much into these things, but I'm gonna put it on the channel anyway. Show you guys what I can do. Just showing you guys what he got right now. Showing you what he's working with. Just showing y'all what he's working with. Sprocket chewed up. I need a new sprocket on the rear. Clutch probably could still run. Probably just oil it up. Brakes need to be bled. Some new brake pads. Probably just order some new brakes. They're so cheap. Need a new filter, new chain, new tires, new grips. Maybe some fresh paint, maybe? I don't know. And I mean, it's a 212 Predator. This thing should run. These things, like, you know, little bullets. So I guess what I'm gonna do is get this chain off, try to get some gas in it, maybe change the oil, see if I can get it started up. Probably gotta clean that carburetor. It's probably a lot of old oil and gunk sitting in it, but hopefully this thing starts up. If it got spark, it should start right up. And then I'll order tires, I'll order a filter, and I'll order brake pads or what brakes, probably a whole new set of brakes, some new grips. I think that's about it. Like, too much you could do to these things, you know, make them faster. Try to clean it up a little bit for them. So I guess I need to get this chain off real quick, right? I don't know if I can sit you guys down, like maybe right here. Maybe right there. Please tell me this thing got Vaseline on it. trying to. Alright, so I know I didn't get a lot of this because the camera cut off, but I'm back. You feel me? I'm back, and I got some progress done. Even though I've been busy all day, I've been doing other things. I still got a little progress done. I got one of the tires on, guys. I wish I would have recorded me putting this tire on so you guys can see how I use this machine right here. This little tire machine I got. I had this for like a couple years now, and I use it from time to time when I'm doing like ATV tires and stuff like that. But I didn't do the rear tire. And the rear tire looks like it's harder than the front tire, so you guys can see that. And I got the bike stripped all the way down, and I already started sanding it already a little bit on the top, so I got to do the bottom still and underneath and the other side and all that. And then I'll lay some paint on it, some primer and some paint on it tomorrow probably. And the front didn't have a bolt on the bottom, so the neck just came straight off as soon as I took it apart. That was crazy. Yeah, so making progress. I guess I just wanted to show you guys this tire getting done. I cleaned this one up already a little bit, so I just got to put some air in it, make sure it's sealed, and then put some air in it, make sure it seals. And we good to go. But I want to show you guys this machine, how this thing works. That's pretty good, right? You guys can see it pretty good right there. Let's go, guys. So we gotta break this on this side. Got a rotor plate on this side. Now which way should I take it off? I mean, it would be easier to take it off this way, but I have to take this rotor off. But let me see also. Hopefully it seals up when we do that. This tire looks pretty skinny, doesn't it? But I mean, he ain't got that much money to be spending on no mini bike. He's a kid, so whatever he could get. These tires were $60 for 2 tires. Can't beat that. And they street tires versus him having one off-road tire, one street tire. That was crazy. So alright, so from here we need to see if they fill it with air. Clean it up a little bit. I gotta put this tire machine back in the corner. I guess I need to do that now, right? Wipe this rim down. Some purple power. can do right now is put this tire machine up. Okay, I can put this tire machine up. Try to put up some of these tools. Clean up a little bit.